You are unnecessarily creating a lot of burden on yourself if you are still manually replying to all of the WhatsApp conversation and the queries sent by our customers or the new users. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I am going to show you how I have automated my WhatsApp conversation using this AI agent which I have created using Pabbly Chatflow. We are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not, and then I am going to show you how you can create this from the scratch. So I am going to open my WhatsApp and I am going to send a message like, are your products FSSAI approved? Now here I am running food and beverages business and I receive a lot of queries from the customers regarding the products and the services. So here I am asking or dropping a question, and if I receive the response regarding the same query, then this is going to show us the AI agent which I have created is working fine. I'll send this question. Let's wait for the reply here. So here I received this message. Yes, Nest Foods and Beverages Private Limited produces products are FSSAI certified, manufactured in ISO certified facility. Happy to help you if you want details for any specific product itself. Next I'm going to enter a question like, I received a damaged product, what should I do? I have sent this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here I have received this reply. We apologize for the inconvenience. Please share your order ID and product photo. Our support team will assist you within 24 hours. Replacement is allowed for damaged products. Happy to get this resolved for you. I'm going to ask the final question here. I want dealership. What is the process? I have sent this message. Let's wait for the reply here. And here I have received this message. For dealership distributor with Nest has the process and requirement. Minimum bulk order is rupees 5,000. Dealership requirement. Share these details: GST number, business registration, store location, expected monthly volume. Then the distributor margin, snacks, beverages, energy drinks. Send me the details above and I'll guide you the next step. So you see, whatever question or the query I'm asking, it is resolving and answering for the same query itself. So this is how we have created this WhatsApp chatbot using AI agent. And now if you also want to learn how you can create this for your business, then let's start creating this from the scratch. So here we are going to create this AI agent which can automate our WhatsApp conversation for our business, and we need not reply to all these queries, repetitive queries, manually. So for this we are going to first visit Pabbly Chatflow, using which we are going to create this WhatsApp chatbot. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply have to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser, and after browsing the website we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. Now here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page will appear in front of me, where I have to click on this Pabbly Chatflow access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now over here you can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow account, you simply have to click on this add WhatsApp number, click on this WhatsApp connect, which is a preferred method to connect your Pabbly Chatflow to your WhatsApp, or you can use a manual token to connect your Pabbly Chatflow to your WhatsApp. The step-by-step guide is provided in the video in the description. You can check that out. Also on the left hand side we have very most important features of Pabbly Chatflow. The detailed video of all of these features are available in the description. You can check that out. Now to create this AI assistant, we have to click on this AI assistant option on the left hand side. Let's open this. Here we are landed towards this AI assistant page. You can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant, and the inactive AI assistant. To create a new AI assistant, you simply have to click on this add AI assistant, and you have to name this as WhatsApp AI agent for food and beverage, and then simply click on this add AI assistant. Here I am landed towards this page. So on the top you can see all these options: AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant, interface, and styling. So here I am going to select it as AI instructions, and over here in the instruction type I am going to select it as AI agent. The instructions are already added. You can enhance these instructions according to your choice and preference and requirement. Then if I scroll down, I have this AI configuration. So the first one is temperature. Set how the AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. So if I go from 0 to 1, the creativity of how this AI is answering will enhance. I'm going to keep it as 0.7. Then I'm going to select the AI to use as OpenAI. The model will be GPT-5 mini, and then we have this API key. Now over here I am on the paid account of OpenAI and I have already added the API key which I have created. I simply have to click on this connect and OpenAI key saved successfully. If you do not have the API key, you simply have to click on this hyperlink and you will be landed towards this page. To create a new API token, you simply have to click on this create new secret key. First you have to provide the key name. So let's say the key is test, the project will be default project, the permissions will be all, and then you simply have to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you which you need to copy and paste that over here. Now here I have this option of AI assistant settings. If you want to provide the header message and the footer message, you have to toggle on these buttons, enter the message and it will start displaying. Then we have the stop keyword. So if we toggle on the stop keyword, we have to enter the word, and if the user sends this particular word to the chat, the AI agent will stop replying to that particular chat. Then we have this retry attempt. Now if the API is not responding, the AI agent will not be able to resolve the queries, and the number of attempts which is given then to this AI agent is this retry attempt, and the valid range is 1 to 10. Next we have this fallback message. So when the API is not responding, this message will be sent. Now over here you can provide the company information or your contact details so that if the queries are not resolved, your users can contact you directly. Moving on towards the next part, which is this knowledge source. So here I have selected the knowledge source as upload file. I am going to upload the file which I have created, and if I open this file which I have created in Google document, here I have provided all the details about my business. The first one is this company overview. Then we have this product category and complete details about my product. You can see category A, B, C, D. Then we have the payment details, shipping and delivery policy, return and refund policy, bulk and distributor program, order process flow, complaint handling script, health and safety information, what this AI can answer, sales logic built in, advanced features. You can see I have created a quite detailed knowledge base. So you have to create a detailed knowledge base and provide all the details of your business, products or services in this particular knowledge base, and using this details only your AI agent is going to reply to your customers. So here you have to download this in .txt or .pdf format, and you simply have to upload that over here. Just I have done this right now. If the PDF has images, the limit is up to 10 pages only. Moving on towards this assistant interface. So over here you can see this heading name. You can provide the name and it will start displaying over here. Then we have this subheading. If you want to remove it, you can remove it. If you want to keep it, you can keep it. Then we have this initial messages. So you can add only 2 initial messages. I have added 1 initial message. You can add another initial message, and with the help of those 2 initial messages, your AI agent is going to greet or reply to the customers. Then we have this display by powered by Pabbly, which I have enabled. If you want, you can disable this and it will be removed from here. I am going to keep it enabled. Then we have this footer text where I have added the privacy policy, and in the footer link I have added the link to privacy policy. You can add this according to your choice and preference. Then we have this user first message where I have entered I need help. So you can enter anything according to your choice, but it is not necessary that whatever we have in this user first message, and when the user send that message only, then the reply will be sent. It is going to reply to all the customers whatever messages they sent. Moving on towards the final part, which is the styling. So I have selected the theme mode as light. You can select it as dark also, and you can see it changing over here. I am going to keep the assistant shape as circle. You can change it according to your choice and preference. Then we have this background color, text color, button color. You can change this according to your choice and preference. Then we have this header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and the background picture. You can set this according to your choice and preference, just in the manner we have uploaded the knowledge base. Now after all this, you have to keep this toggle on to keep this active, and then you have to save this. If you do not save this, all this will be lost. And then you can also embed this AI assistant to your particular website by clicking on this embed and using this code to your website, and whenever someone clicks on that, they will be redirected towards that WhatsApp. Now over here we have to learn how we can enable this AI assistant to a particular chat or a particular group or to all the contacts. For that, on the left hand side we have this option of inbox. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Now here this is my chat. I simply have to toggle on this button, choose the AI assistant, and then I simply have to save this. In this manner I have enabled this AI assistant. But doing this manually and to particular chats is very illogical and time consuming, and for that I'm going to go towards this inbox settings. After clicking on this settings, I'm going to open this inbox settings in a new tab. After landing towards this inbox settings, I have to scroll down and then go towards this AI auto reply settings. I have to keep this enabled on, and then I have not created any list here. When you create the list, your list will start appearing over here. You have to select the list and then you have to select the AI assistant. You can add more rules, select another list and select another AI assistant, and you can add more rules, select another list or all the contacts and then select another AI assistant. Like this, you have to do this, and then you simply have to save this. Now whatever AI assistant you have selected for a particular list or to all the contacts, that will be assigned to that. So this is how we can create this AI agent. We have learned how we can create this AI agent, how we can style this AI agent, how we can guide this AI agent to reply in a particular manner, how we can create the knowledge base, how we can assign this AI assistant to a particular group, to a particular contact, or to all the contacts. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for loading more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.